Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract everything they desire, while others struggle to make progress? Well, what if I told you that there's a powerful law at play that can completely transform your life? The law of attraction. Sounds like something out of a self-help book, right? But here's the twist. It's not just a feel-good concept. It's something that's actually backed by science, and more importantly, you're already using it without even realizing it. Imagine being able to manifest anything you want, whether it's a dream job, an amazing relationship, or financial freedom. What if the key to unlocking this potential was simply a shift in how you think, feel, and align your energy with your desires? Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? In this video, we're diving deep into how the law of attraction works and how you can start manifesting the life you've always dreamed of. No more waiting for things to fall into place or hoping for luck to strike. You have the power to attract exactly what you want, starting right now. So if you're ready to take control and start manifesting, let's unlock the secrets of the universe together. Energy is the fundamental building block of everything in the universe. From the air we breathe to the thoughts we think, everything is made of energy. Even the physical objects around us, which may appear solid, are actually composed of atoms that are in constant motion, vibrating at different frequencies. This constant motion and vibration create a dynamic, interconnected system where everything is linked through energy. Each type of energy, whether it's the energy of love, fear, joy, or anger, vibrates at its own unique frequency. The higher the frequency, the lighter and more expansive the energy feels, whereas lower frequencies feel heavy, dense, and often stagnant. These frequencies aren't just abstract concepts. They directly influence how things interact in the physical world. For example, when you're feeling joyful and full of positive energy, you naturally attract positive situations and people who resonate with that high vibration. Conversely, if you're consumed by negativity, you're more likely to encounter experiences that mirror those lower energies. The beauty of this understanding lies in the realization that we have the power to influence our own energy. By consciously raising our vibration, whether through positive thoughts, gratitude, or simply aligning with what feels good, we can shift the energy around us and, in turn, the experiences we attract. The more we understand how energy works and how we are all connected through it, the better equipped we become to manifest the reality we desire. Vibrational frequencies play a crucial role in shaping the experiences we attract into our lives. Everything around us, including ourselves, vibrates at a specific frequency, whether it's a positive or negative one. The energy we emit directly influences the kind of experiences, people, and opportunities we draw towards us. This is the essence of the law of attraction. When you vibrate at a high frequency, meaning you are filled with emotions like love, joy, gratitude, and compassion, you become a magnet for positive experiences. The energy you radiate aligns with similarly positive frequencies in the universe. This means that the more you focus on things that elevate your mood and energy, the more you begin to attract situations and people that reflect those high vibrations. It's as if the universe mirrors your energy and sends back experiences that resonate with your positive state. On the other hand, when you vibrate at a lower frequency, due to feelings like fear, anger, or sadness, you unintentionally attract situations that match those lower vibrations. These emotions keep you trapped in a cycle of negativity, where the more you focus on what's wrong or stressful, the more those situations appear in your life. The key is to become aware of your emotional state and take conscious steps to raise your vibration. By shifting your focus toward positive thoughts and feelings, you open the door to a reality filled with more fulfilling, joyful, and abundant experiences. The energy you focus on has a profound impact on the reality you experience. When you focus on positive energy, you naturally align with high-frequency vibrations which attract good things into your life. Positive emotions like love, gratitude, and excitement create an energetic field that draws in opportunities, experiences, and people that match those uplifting vibrations. This is why, when you focus on the good, Whether it's appreciating the small things in life, practicing gratitude, or maintaining an optimistic outlook, your reality starts to reflect those positive energies. You become a magnet for joy, success, and fulfillment. On the other hand, when you consistently focus on negative energy and thoughts, you remain trapped in a low vibrational state. Negative emotions like fear, anger, and frustration keep you in a place where the universe responds by sending more experiences that mirror those emotions. This creates a cycle of negativity that can feel difficult to break. When you dwell on what's wrong or what could go wrong, you attract more situations that confirm those fears and negative beliefs. The key to transforming your life lies in consciously shifting your mindset and energy. By choosing to focus on positivity, you can raise your vibrational frequency and begin attracting better experiences. Whether it's through gratitude, visualization, or simply choosing to think more positively, you have the power to change the direction of your life. The more you consciously elevate your energy, the more you align with the abundant, joyful experiences you desire. Manifestation is not just about wishing for something to appear in your life. It's about becoming the person who already has it. To truly manifest your desires, you need to embody the energy, mindset, and actions of someone who has already achieved what you want. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the outcome you wish to attract. For example, if you desire financial abundance, it's not enough to simply think about money. You must begin to feel abundant, think in terms of abundance, and act as though you already have the wealth you seek. This means shifting your mindset to one of abundance, practicing gratitude for what you have, and taking actions that align with your financial goals. When you align yourself with the energy of abundance, you naturally attract opportunities that reflect that energy. Similarly, if you want to attract a loving relationship, you must first become the kind of person who embodies love, confidence, and respect for yourself. By cultivating these qualities within, you align yourself with the energy of the kind of partner you want to attract. It's not about seeking outside of yourself, but rather turning inward to become the person you want to be. By becoming the version of yourself who already possesses what you desire, you send out a clear signal to the universe. This alignment creates an energetic match between your internal state and your external reality, making it easier to manifest your desires and bring them into your life. Energy alignment is at the core of successful manifestation. The universe is constantly responding to the energy we emit, and it works like a mirror, bringing into our lives the things that match our vibrational frequency. If your energy is aligned with what you desire, the universe will naturally draw those things to you. This is why it's so important to ensure that your thoughts, emotions, and actions are all in harmony with the outcomes you wish to manifest. When your thoughts, feelings, and actions are in alignment with your desires, you are energetically vibrating at the same frequency as what you want to attract. For instance, if you desire a loving relationship, your thoughts should be centered on love. Your feelings should reflect warmth and openness, and your actions should mirror those of someone who is ready to receive love. This alignment creates a powerful magnetic force that pulls your desires closer to you. On the other hand, when there's a disconnect between your internal energy and what you want, manifestation becomes more difficult. Negative thoughts, conflicting emotions, or actions that don't support your goals will lower your vibrational frequency, making it harder to attract what you want. The key to manifestation is maintaining energetic coherence. When your energy is fully aligned with your desires, the universe responds quickly and effectively. By consciously focusing on aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your goals, you pave the way for faster and more powerful manifestation, bringing your dreams into reality with ease. The law of attraction is often seen as a mystical or spiritual concept, but it is actually grounded in scientific principles, particularly in quantum physics. At its core, quantum physics reveals that everything in the universe is made up of atoms, which are constantly in motion and vibrating at specific frequencies. This understanding of the fundamental nature of reality shows us that all matter, including our thoughts and emotions, is energy in constant motion. Our consciousness, or awareness, has the ability to influence the energy around us. This is where the law of attraction comes into play. Our thoughts, feelings, and intentions create vibrations that interact with the universe. Just as everything around us is made of energy, our own energy is interconnected with the greater field of energy that surrounds us. When we focus on positive energy and set clear intentions, we are essentially influencing the vibrational frequency we emit, which, in turn, attracts similar frequencies back to us. Numerous scientific studies and real-life success stories have shown the power of focusing on positive energy and intention. Research in fields like neuroplasticity, for example, shows how our thoughts can rewire our brains and influence our reality. Success stories of individuals who have transformed their lives through the law of attraction further demonstrate its validity. By aligning with positive energy and staying focused on our desires, we can influence outcomes and create the life we wish to experience. This scientific basis shows that the law of attraction is not just a belief, but a powerful tool rooted in the fabric of our universe. Your mindset is the key to raising your vibrational frequency and consequently attracting the experiences you desire. The thoughts you think are not just fleeting ideas, they are powerful, energetic signals that influence the energy you emit. When you cultivate a positive mindset, you elevate your vibrational frequency, attracting positive experiences, people, and opportunities. In contrast, negative thinking keeps you anchored at a lower frequency, making it difficult to manifest the life you want. Your mindset directly shapes your reality because the energy you send out is what the universe responds to. Small shifts in your mindset can create a dramatic change in your vibrational frequency. For example, replacing thoughts of doubt with thoughts of possibility, or focusing on solutions instead of problems, instantly raises your energy. The more you practice these shifts, the more easily you begin to vibrate at a higher frequency. Over time, you'll notice that you start attracting more of the things you want, whether it's abundance, love, or success. One of the most effective ways to maintain high energy throughout the day is by starting your morning with gratitude, positive thoughts, or a healthy routine. Gratitude, in particular, is a powerful tool for raising your vibration. By taking a moment to reflect on what you're thankful for, you immediately shift your focus to abundance and positivity. Positive thoughts set a high energetic tone for your day, while a healthy routine, such as exercise or mindfulness, helps you keep your energy strong and aligned with your desires. By consciously choosing to start your day on a high note, you lay the foundation for manifesting your dreams. Harnessing the power of manifestation requires intentional techniques that align your energy with your desires. 3 powerful methods to help you do this are affirmations, visualization, and scripting. Each technique works to shift your mindset and vibrational frequency, drawing you closer to your goals. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat in the present tense to reprogram your subconscious mind. When you affirm something as if it is already true, you begin to shift your belief system and energetically align yourself with that outcome. For instance, repeating, "I am confident and capable," helps you embody the energy of confidence, attracting more situations that reflect this belief. Visualization takes the process a step further by engaging your imagination. By vividly imagining your desires as if they are already happening, you enhance your vibrational frequency. When you mentally experience your desired reality, you train your subconscious to accept it as true, which accelerates its manifestation in your physical world. The more detailed and emotionally connected you are to your visualization, the stronger its impact on your vibrational energy. Scripting involves writing down your life as though everything you desire is already yours. By describing your ideal reality in present tense, you not only clarify your desires, but also create a roadmap for how to manifest them. This technique deepens your commitment to your desires and helps you stay focused on your goal, while also reinforcing a sense of gratitude for having what you want. Together, these techniques create a powerful, intentional energy that moves you closer to manifesting your dreams. One of the most crucial aspects of manifestation is learning to let go and trust the process. After clearly asking for what you want, The next step is to release your attachment to how and when it will manifest. Holding on too tightly to the specifics of timing or the exact way things will unfold can create resistance and block the flow of your desires. This is where faith and patience come in. When you constantly worry about how things will happen or when they will arrive, you send out a signal of doubt to the universe. This doubt lowers your vibrational frequency, making it more difficult to attract the things you want. Instead of focusing on the how and when, focus on the belief that your desires are already on their way to you. A great analogy is ordering food at a restaurant. When you place your order, you don't constantly check with the waiter or stress about when your food will arrive. You trust that it will be delivered in the right time. Similarly, once you've set your intention and asked the universe for what you want, trust that it will arrive when the time is right. Letting go is about surrendering control and allowing the universe to deliver your desires in divine timing. The more you can trust the process and relax into faith, the faster and more effortlessly your desires will manifest. When you release the need to force outcomes, you open yourself up to receive. And that's a wrap on today's video about the law of attraction and how to manifest anything you want. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to take control of your life by aligning your thoughts, energy, and actions with your deepest desires. Remember, you are the creator of your reality, and by shifting your mindset, you can attract everything you've ever dreamed of. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on manifestation, personal growth, and so much more. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know what you're going to start manifesting in your life today. Whether it's a dream job, love, or abundance, I want to know what's on your heart. As always, thank you so much for watching. And remember, keep vibrating high, stay positive, and trust the process. Your desires are already on their way to you. Until next time, take care and keep manifesting.